This is 35.24 ounces, just over 2 pounds. Party size, 125 piece assorted minis. So let's check this out. Let's see what we got in here. We got a variety. We got Snickers. We got Milky Way Midnights. We got, this looks like your standard, your classic Milky Way. We got Twixes. We got Three Musketeers. And, yep. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there's 5. So that's it right there. You got your Snickers. You got your Three Musketeers. You got your Twix. You got your Milky Way, your originals. And then you got your Milky Way Midnights. So there you go. These are 125. And I hope this helps. And I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.